How to send money with Wise. If you want to quickly learn how you're going to send money with Wise to anyone out there, maybe a recipient, yourself, or even a business holder, this video is for you because I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you're going to send money. Now, to start things off, you're going to come over to wise.com or maybe download the Wise app if you prefer using money apps on phone. And once you're over here, you're going to click on send money now. Make sure you register for an account first. It's pretty simple. All they need is your phone number and a little verification from your side, but that's about it. But once you do that, you're gonna choose your currency. So let's say I want to send 1,000 Great British pounds to a person, and that person should receive it in euros. Okay, so that's what I want. We're gonna click on get started. Now, once you do that, it's gonna give you three options if you're logged in. It's gonna say recipient, myself, and business. So choose whatever handler you're giving it to. So let's say you're going to go to recipients, right? So once you go into recipients, it says enter their account details. So in my case, the currency was euros. You're going to add their email just for safe measure. Then you're going to add the bank details, which bank does their bank account belong, full name of the account holder, and then finally their card number, or maybe depending on the region, they might ask you their IBAN. So just fill in the information correctly, and once you've done all of that, you should be set and good to go. And that is basically how you're supposed to go ahead and send money with Wise. I hope that was helpful. If it was, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.